Today, leave aside the past. Today, the fastest growing religion in America is Islam. The fastest growing religion in Europe is Islam. I'm asking you, who's forcing the Americans to accept Islam? Who's forcing the Europeans to accept Islam? You were not there born. Were you present in the past? Arabs came to my land and forced. Where were you present? This is history. Many things in history is false. A very famous historian, Dilese O'Leary, he writes in the book, Islam at the Crossroad, page number 8. He says, history makes it clear that the legend of fanatical Muslims sweeping across the world, forcing Islam at the point of the sword, is the most fantastic, absurd myth that historians ever repeated. This is just in the media today. Muslim terrorist, Muslim terrorist. I am asking you, did any Muslim attack you in this country?
No.
But the media says Muslims are terrorists.
Yeah, media is just nonsense.
Yes, same way your history is also nonsense. When media is nonsense, the history is also nonsense. Some is correct, some is wrong.